Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog. There is something quietly powerful about wood. A simple piece of timber can carry warmth, character, and natural beauty that instantly makes a space feel more thoughtful and inviting. What makes woodworking especially exciting is that you do not always need large boards or complicated projects to create something impressive. In fact, some of the most charming and visually striking creations come from the smallest pieces of wood. In this video, we are exploring a collection of inspiring small woodworking ideas that prove even the simplest materials can become elegant decorative creations when creativity and craftsmanship come together. Small woodworking projects often begin with pieces of wood that might otherwise be forgotten. Short boards, leftover cuts, reclaimed fragments, and tiny offcuts may seem insignificant at first glance. Yet within those pieces lies enormous creative potential. When a craftsperson looks closely at the grain, the texture, and the shape of the wood, new possibilities begin to appear. Suddenly, a simple offcut becomes the starting point for something artistic, practical, or decorative. One of the most fascinating things about working with wood is how every piece tells a slightly different story. Unlike synthetic materials that appear identical, wood carries natural variations that make every project unique. Grain patterns flow like quiet landscapes across the surface, sometimes straight and subtle, sometimes bold and dramatic. Even the smallest project can showcase this natural beauty, turning a simple object into something visually rich and organic. Another reason small woodworking projects are so appealing is their simplicity. Many designs rely on clean forms, balanced shapes, and smooth surfaces rather than elaborate details. This simplicity allows the natural character of the wood to become the focus. A carefully shaped wooden piece with a smooth finish can feel calm, elegant, and timeless. In many ways, these minimal designs reflect a modern appreciation for natural materials and thoughtful craftsmanship. Small wooden creations also have a wonderful ability to bring warmth into spaces without overwhelming them. Because they are compact and versatile, they can appear almost anywhere in a home. A small decorative element made of wood can quietly add texture and personality to an interior. These subtle accents often become the details that make a space feel complete and intentional. Another interesting quality of woodworking is the relationship between structure and creativity. Even with small materials, woodworkers can experiment with shapes, angles, and patterns. Some projects explore geometric arrangements that feel modern and architectural. Others celebrate the natural curves and irregular forms found in organic wood pieces. Both approaches highlight the flexibility of wood as a creative medium. Light also plays an important role in the way wooden creations are experienced. As light moves across the surface of wood, it reveals subtle shadows within the grain. These delicate variations add depth and visual movement to the material. During the day, changing sunlight can make wooden surfaces appear slightly different from moment to moment. This quiet interaction with light gives wood a sense of life that synthetic materials rarely achieve. Another reason small woodworking ideas remain popular is that they invite experimentation. Because the material pieces are small and manageable, creators feel free to try new techniques and explore different styles. Some experiments lead to unexpected discoveries. A new shape, a unique arrangement, or a different finishing technique can suddenly transform a simple idea into something visually striking. Finishing techniques also contribute greatly to the final appearance of wooden projects. Sanding smooths the surface and prepares the wood to reveal its natural beauty. Oils can enhance the richness of the grain while maintaining a soft, natural feel. Stains can deepen the color and create dramatic contrast. Even clear finishes can highlight the intricate patterns hidden within the wood. Each finishing choice brings out a slightly different personality in the material. Another important aspect of woodworking is patience. Creating something beautiful from wood rarely happens instantly. Each step requires care, attention, and a willingness to slow down. The process of shaping, sanding, and finishing gradually transforms raw material into something refined. This steady transformation is part of what makes woodworking such a satisfying creative experience. If you are enjoying this collection of woodworking inspiration, consider subscribing to Craft Catalog. Supporting the channel helps us continue sharing creative ideas and design inspirations centered around natural materials and thoughtful craftsmanship. Small woodworking projects also remind us that beauty often comes from simplicity. A project does not need to be large or complex to feel meaningful. Sometimes a single well-crafted object can carry more visual impact than a larger decorative piece. These small creations demonstrate how thoughtful design can elevate even the most modest materials. Another reason people enjoy working with small wood pieces is the opportunity to focus on detail. When the scale is small, every curve, edge, and surface becomes important. Precision and craftsmanship become the defining qualities of the finished object. These subtle details often give handmade wooden items their refined and professional appearance. Working with wood also connects creators to a long tradition of craftsmanship. For centuries, artisans have shaped wood into tools, furniture, and decorative objects that combine function and beauty. Today's small woodworking projects continue this tradition in new and creative ways. Even modern designs often echo the same respect for material and craftsmanship that has existed for generations. Creativity plays a major role in how these projects evolve. Some ideas emerge from observing the natural grain patterns within the wood. Others begin with a geometric concept or a design experiment. Sometimes inspiration comes simply from holding a piece of wood and imagining what it might become. This imaginative process is one of the most enjoyable parts of woodworking. Another fascinating element of wood is how it changes over time. As wood ages, it develops deeper tones and subtle variations that add character. This natural aging process gives wooden creations a sense of history and authenticity. Even small objects can become cherished items as they gradually evolve with time. If you have watched this far, thank you for spending a few moments exploring creative woodworking ideas with Craft Catalog. Our goal is to share relaxing inspiration and thoughtful design concepts that highlight the beauty of natural materials. If you have not already subscribed, we invite you to join our growing community of viewers who appreciate craftsmanship, creativity, and design. Small woodworking ideas also encourage us to see materials differently. What once appeared to be a leftover scrap of wood may actually contain hidden potential. With a little imagination and careful work, even the simplest piece can become something beautiful and meaningful. As this collection of ideas continues, notice how many designs rely on thoughtful proportions and balanced forms. The most appealing creations often feel harmonious and calm. This sense of balance is what allows wooden projects to feel both artistic and timeless. Ultimately, small woodworking projects celebrate the idea that creativity does not depend on scale. Large furniture pieces can be impressive, but small handcrafted items often carry a special charm. They reflect patience, skill, and a deep appreciation for natural materials. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog and exploring these inspiring small woodworking ideas with us today. We hope this collection encourages you to look at simple pieces of wood with fresh curiosity and imagination. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves woodworking inspiration and creative design ideas. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep discovering the quiet beauty hidden within natural wood. Goodbye, and we will see you in the next video.